It's your girl Nashe. Happy Sunday night. I'm winding down right now and I decided to go ahead and do a unboxing. Now it is springtime and a lot of us are doing our spring cleaning. My focus this season is dealing with the elephant in the room. I have a lot of packages that I need to open, and it's time to get that done. So I figured after an eventful weekend, I would just come on here, light some candles and some incense, sip on my tea, and finally open this package that I've had since last year. I'm not even 100% sure what's in the package, so I guess we'll find out together. I do know it did come from the Coach outlet, but that's about it. Before we get started, I'm sipping on some peppermint tea, the Great Value brand. I find it is just as tasty as all the other brands, and I absolutely love it. I also have one of my favorite candles burning, and here is my Relax and Calm, the F Down incense. Lavender scented and pretty soothing. Let's go ahead and get this started. Like I said, this package comes from Coach. It's from the Coach outlet. I picked her up in the summer of 2022, and I just put her in the pile with all the other unboxed boxes. Now, in another video, we'll talk a little bit more about my handbag addiction and the purchasing of these purses and not opening them. I think that is a problem, don't you? So I'm committed to stopping that behavior, and that starts today. All right, so everyone is finally asleep and the house is finally quiet. So to keep my address private, I do have this turned on the back side. So this is the back of the package, and there's a little slit right here that I can use to get this opened. Let's pull. That slit seems to be, okay, here it goes, it's working. Now then, I'm not sure what's in here. I do remember buying some things from the outlet, but I don't remember exactly what this is, so it'll be a surprise for all of us. I'm not looking, reaching in, and I feel her. I'm trying to see if there's a receipt or anything in here, but I don't believe so. Okay, let's go. Wow. Wow. It is the Coach Nolita 19 with the bumblebee pattern. And this is what Coach featured last summer. Now just look at that. This is my very first Nolita. I have purchased Nolitas, but I actually gifted them. The one that I bought most recently, I gave to my daughter. But this one is my very own and my very first pattern. It's been a bumblebee type of weekend, so I'm not surprised that I'm ending the weekend with more bumblebees. Let's go ahead and take the plastic off. Let's see if I can do that without cutting her. Actually, I can. Nice. Very, very nice. Very pretty, very fitting for the season. I'm not even mad that I waited that long. I mean, yes, I do buy purses, and a lot of times I don't get into them for quite some time, but when I do, the timing is always right. So I don't remember the actual name of this Nolita, but what the packaging is saying is Signature B Natural, or actually Signature B Nolita 19 in the khaki multi. That's a pretty long name. So cute. Let's go ahead and finish taking off her packaging. It's been so long since I've had her that even if I needed to return her, I couldn't, well past the return time frame. That's the downside of not opening my packages as soon as possible. I see a lot of possibilities for this little bag here. I definitely want to jump into her as soon as possible and utilize her during the spring and summer. I think one of the reasons why I didn't really get to her last year is because I had gotten her a little late in the summer season and all the bumblebees were starting to disappear at that point, so it didn't seem like there was a point to it. But yes, this is the Nolita 19 in the bumblebee pattern. I like her a lot. Now I think there's something else in the package, if I'm not mistaken, because I did feel something else in here and I honestly don't remember what that was. So, yep, here's something else. Now this right here, based off of the package, is, if I can read it, it looks like Pebble Leather Snap Wallet in black. Okay. Let's see if she'll be more interesting than the recent Fossil wallet that I got in black. Not bad. She's pretty handsome looking. You know, I'm a sucker for a nice pebbled leather, that's for sure. Okay, so she snaps open here to reveal the ID slot and a couple card slots. There's some space right here for some more cards. Very nice. And a little section here for change. Pretty cool. And this top section here where you can put actual cash. Very, very nice. A lot of times when I do things like this, I'll make a purchase, I'll forget about it, or I just won't open it for quite some time. The items actually turn out to be really great gifts for my loved ones or whatever, you know. There's always an occasion. So I don't feel too bad about this. I actually like her. She seems more interesting than the recent Fossil wallet that I did get, but I'll give her a shot, or maybe not. I'm not sure what made me buy this little wallet when I did make the purchase. Maybe I decided that I wanted to have the small wallet for the Nolita because she fits in there nicely. Like I said, this is my first personal Nolita, my very first personal Nolita, so I'll have to get into her and see what fits, and I'll definitely come back and share that with you all. But for now, I want to say good night and thank you for stopping by for this late night unboxing with me. I really do appreciate you spending some time with me, and I pray that you go into this week feeling positive, feeling loved, and just ready to deal with whatever life throws at you. And bag babes, that's it for now. Sweet dreams. I will talk to y'all soon. Peace and love.